Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create blur and shake effects between the clips to create the transitions on a CapCut Mobile. So here you need to add the clip and then first click on the first clip, go to animations. Under the in category, add the turbulence animation, this one. Click on that and adjust it for 0.7 seconds. Do the same for the second clips. Okay, click on the check icon. Now go to the video effect and then click on the opening and closing and add the oblique blur effect. This one. Adjust the blur and rotate to 100. Click on the check icon. Okay, make it like this. Then click on object and choose all videos. So here you need to add 3 keyframes like this. For the first, just leave it as it is, and the second keyframe, lower the blur to 35, and the last one, lower the blur to 0. Click on the check icon, duplicate it, and put it for the next clips. And you are done. So this is the final result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.